If you want to collaborate more effectively during a Google Meet, Lucidspark is a fantastic whiteboard tool that lets everyone brainstorm, sketch ideas, and organize thoughts in real time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Lucidspark Whiteboard in Google Meet step by step so you can set it up quickly and start working with your team without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. First, open or join your Google Meet meeting. This is where everything begins because Lucidspark works inside the Meeting Tools panel. Once you're in the meeting, look for the Meeting Tools area at the bottom or side of your screen, then click on Add-Ons. From there, select Browse the Marketplace. This is where you can find extra tools that connect with Google Meet. Now, search for Lucidspark and select it from the results. If it's not installed yet, Google will prompt you to add it to your account. Click the Install option and continue through the setup. You may also be asked to sign in with your Lucid account, so go ahead and complete that login. If any permission screens appear, review them carefully and grant the required access so Lucidspark can connect properly with your meeting. Once you follow the on-screen prompts, the installation will finish and you'll land on the Lucidspark home screen. At this point, you're ready to open a whiteboard. You can either choose an existing board if you already have one prepared, or click New Board to create a fresh space for your meeting. If you're starting from scratch, this is a great way to keep your ideas organized from the beginning. After selecting the board you want, click Attach Board. This links the whiteboard directly to your Google Meet session so everyone in the call can access it. Now comes the fun part, actually using the whiteboard. Inside Lucidspark, you can add sticky notes, shapes, text boxes, and freehand drawings. This makes it easy to run brainstorming sessions, map out projects, collect feedback, or visually explain ideas to your team. Everyone who has access to the meeting and board can contribute in real time, which means your whole group can work together on the same canvas at the same time. As people add ideas, you can move items around, group them, and keep the board organized so the discussion stays clear. If you're leading the meeting, you can use the board to guide the conversation, highlight key points, and turn rough ideas into a structured plan. That's one of the biggest benefits of using Lucidspark in Google Meet. It makes collaboration feel more interactive and productive. When you're finished, simply close the Lucidspark panel to end the session. The great part is that your board stays saved in your Lucid account, so you can come back to it later, continue editing, or reuse it in another meeting. That means your work doesn't disappear when the call ends. So that's how to use Lucidspark Whiteboard in Google Meet. It only takes a few minutes to install, attach, and start collaborating with your team. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Google Meet and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.